Hello everyone, it's James from MPX Autos. How are you? In this video we would like to share a video that show how the reverse camera is installed in the Toyota Kluger 2007 to 2013 model, but it applies the same way as for the next generation 2014 to 2018. Why we make this video? Because this one is to show how we actually connect the camera, our new camera, from the rear to the front without needing to extend the reverse camera cable, which in many cases we found that many people need to cut and join extension wire to get it longer a little bit. So here we go. Start from the rear and tailgate. We remove the factory camera and fit in the new reverse camera over here, which is this one, and it looks beautiful like factory fit. And you know, this car, this Kluger Grande, coming from Melbourne to Sydney and stop at our Carlton workshop for the full conversion setup, 10-inch premium one. But we're talking about the camera. Okay, so from there we actually run the wiring camera over here. You can see that it's along here and along the factory wiring setup, and then going down here, going down, you know, the wiring going down here, going through this and going through the rubber grommet, going here, go straight down here, and then going that side and go along this edge hidden inside, and we put it underneath here, go all the way there. So it actually run along the roof liner, you know, to the front. So it run along the roof until here and then going down here. But here I'm sure that it is where most people get it extension it, because when it's going down here we don't go down further, which actually lost another 25 centimeter of the extension, which is exactly the length that you need. Okay, so we stop right here and we pull out this, and then we use the plastic trim removal tool, slide the edge here, and then you can pull out this plastic cover easy. Slide at the edge and you pull this one out, and then you run the wiring directly from here behind it, go along underneath of the steering wheel. Okay, so you actually run cross straight instead of going down and then going up. You see, that's where you lost 25 centimeter length. And the wiring come in there and come in here, come in and going in here, right here, meeting the camera port in the front, which is just enough. Okay, it's just enough, and have about good enough extension part and good enough. Okay, and the signal cable is here, and the signal cable here, it will join in and get the power. Yep, that's all we actually do. And yeah, we don't need any extension. Okay, so if you do the same way, you definitely don't need the extension for the Kluger. Any Kluger trim level should do the same thing. This one is Grande 2012, so you should have the same thing. And the next generation we do exactly the same process, and it will be perfect into the car. We don't need to do extension with our camera kit. Okay, so hopefully it will have someone to do the same thing, and wish you enjoyed the long weekend. See you soon in another one.